Turn on the lights by pressing the prog button once. Put it into pairing mode by pressing the prog button 4 times. 3, 4. Position the remote within 10 centimetres of the LED controller. Turn on the remote by the on button and the red LED indicator light will appear. Select the zone that you want and then press and hold the on button again until the LED light flashes once and then goes solid. Press the S2 button once. The LED light will flash on the remote and also the LED lights will flash. Once all this is stopped, it is now paired. If you turn back on the remote and then use the colour wheel, you can see that this is now paired. To unpair the remote, press the prog button once to turn the lights on, then press the prog button 4 times to make it into unpairing mode. Press the remote on, the LED light will come on. Press the zone that you want unpairing, so number 1. Press and hold the on button again until the LED light on the remote flashes once and then goes solid. Press the S2 button twice. The LED on the remote will blink, the LED lights will flash. When all this stops, it is then unpaired. The way to check this is turn on the remote, use the colour wheel, and it's not working, so this is now unpaired.